Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to log out of the WhatsApp business account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the WhatsApp business application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your account or link the number to your device. But guys, if you're having a hard time doing this, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to WhatsApp business videos. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the WhatsApp application where in the down bar, we have the updates, we have the calls, we have the tools, which we are in now, we have the chats, and we have the settings option. Now, let's see guys, how you can actually go and log out of the WhatsApp business account. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, what you need to do is go to the settings option. And then when you're in the settings option, you'll need to go and click on your account. So basically, this is the option out of all of these options. This is the first option here, as you can see. When you click on account, here you can go and delete your account, which you will need to do it if you want to log out of your account, and you can go and change your number. So basically, when you delete your account, you can then go and create another account with another number, but you can just go and change your number here anyways. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us grow the channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do these couple of steps, because it helps us a ton. So guys, that will be everything for this video. As I said, I hope that you found it informative, and I'll be guys, as always, seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.